Okay. So I welcome you all to the 60th annual general meeting of JSL Industries Limited. First of all, good morning to you all of us. I am Yogiraj Atre, company secretary of the company, participating from Mogar. Welcome you all to the 60th AGM of the company, which is being held through video conferencing and other audio visual means, as permitted by the circulars issued by MCA and SEBI. Before our chairman commences the meeting, I would like you to take all through certain important aspects regarding the proceeding of this AGM. All the members joining this meeting are by default placed on mute mode to avoid any background noise, disturbance, and to ensure smooth and seamless conduct of the meeting. During the question answer session, the names of registered speaker shareholder will be announced. Speaker shareholder thereafter will be unmuted by the host of AGM and will be allowed to express their views and ask questions. The speaker shareholder are requested to click on the icon of audio and video button while speaking. If shareholder are unable to join through video mode due to any reason, the shareholder are advised to switch off the camera and speak through audio mode only. Speaker shareholder are requested to minimize any background noise to avoid any disturbances. Members who did not vote earlier through remote e-voting may vote electronically during the course of the meeting and 15 minutes after the conclusion of the meeting. The instructions relating to e-voting at the meeting are as follows. Those members who have already cast their vote by remote e-voting prior to the meeting are not entitled to cast their vote again at the AGM. In case members who have cast their vote through remote e-voting and also vote at AGM, then voting done through remote e-voting shall be prevail and voting done at AGM will be disregarded. Second, those who are logged in to attend the meeting as member are only entitled to e-vote at the AGM. E-voting will be allowed only 15 minutes from the conclusion of the meeting. Mr. J.J. Gandhi, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as the scrutinizer for the conducting the e-voting process. Before we commence the proceeding of this annual general meeting, I place on record that as per requirement of provision of Companies Act 2013 and rules made thereunder, an article of association of company, the requisite quorum is present and the chairman of the board, Mr. Rahul Amin, has already joined the meeting. Therefore, meeting may be declared in order by chairman. Sir.
I declare the meeting to order and advise the company secretary to complete the statutory requirements for the meeting proceedings.
Yes, thank you, Chairman, sir. I also would like to record the presence of following person participating in this meeting from Mogar, Vadodara, Pune, and USA. Mr. Tejal Rahul Amin, Full-time Director and Member of Audit Committee. Mr. Bipin Chemburkar, Director and Member of Audit Committee, Nomination and Remuneration Committee and Stakeholder Relationship Committee. Mr. Pradeep Sinha, Director and Chairman of Stakeholder Relationship Committee, Member of Audit Committee and Nomination Remuneration Committee. Ms. Pradnya Seth, Director and Chairman of Audit Committee and Nomination Remuneration Committee and Member of Stakeholder Relationship Committee. Statutory Auditor Mr. Manish Bakshi and Mr. Hetang Pandya from Messrs. Talati and Talati LLP Chartered Accountants. Secretarial Auditor and Scrutinizer Mr. J.J. Gandhi from Messrs. J.J. Gandhi Company, Practicing Company Secretaries. Mr. K.J. Gupta, Chief Executive Officer of the company, and Mr. Amul Parikh, Chief Financial Officer of the company, and Ms. Shubhalakshmi Amin, Consultant of the company. Further, I would like to inform you all that the Register of Directors and KMP and their shareholding, the Register of Contracts and Arrangement in which director is interested, and other documents are open for inspection by members during the continuance of the meeting on the Investor Relation tab of the company's website. The notice of 60th AGM dated 13 May 2026 has been circulated along with 60th annual report for the year 25-26 through email to those shareholders whose email ID were registered with RTA and depository participants, and therefore I take the notice of the meeting as read. The director report and audited financial statement for financial year 25-26 have been already with you for some time, and therefore I take the same as read. Further, the report of statutory auditor was unqualified and without any adverse observations or comment. Therefore, the auditor report is not required to be read. The secretarial auditor in their audit report for financial year ended March 31, 2026 has expressed their observation. Your director would like to furnish their explanation to the said observation as under. With regard to the observation from secretarial auditor, All those promoters who have not dematerialized their share have initiated the process of the transmission as well as getting their share in demat form. Now I draw your attention to the fact there are 5 resolutions for this annual general meeting. Resolution number 1 is ordinary resolution to receive, consider and adopt audited financial statement of the company for financial year ended March 31, 2026 and reports of board of directors and auditors thereof. Resolution number 2 is ordinary resolution to declare dividend on preference shares for the financial year 25-26. Resolution number 3 is ordinary resolution to appoint director in place of Mr. Rahul Nanubhai Amin, Dean is 167987, who retires by rotation in terms of Section 152 subsection 6 of Companies Act 2013 and being eligible and offer himself for reappointment. Resolution 4 is special resolution for reappointment of Mrs. Tejal Rahul Amin, Dean is 169860, as a full-time director of the company. And resolution 5, again ordinary resolution for approval of material related party transaction with Jyoti Limited, a promoter group company for financial year 26-27. Now I request Chairman Sir to take proceeding hereafter.
Dear shareholders, good morning. I, Rahul and Amin, participating from Vadodara, extend a very warm welcome to all shareholders and directors at this 60th Annual General Meeting, AGM, being conducted through video conferencing, other audiovisual means. The meeting is being live streamed through webcast. I thank all of you for participating in today's meeting and sincerely wish that all of you and your family are safe and healthy. I'm sure you would have gone through the annual report together with the financial statements for the financial year 31st March 2026. As you must have observed from the annual report, the company's total revenue from operations was 56.42 crores as compared to previous year's revenue of 53.62 crores. In spite of the ups and downs seen in the industry and the economy as a whole, during the year, your company has done reasonably well. The performance of the company year ended 31st March 2026 as under. The cost of material consumed at 63.72% of sales value at rupees 35.95 crores as compared to 60.31 of sales value at rupees 32.34 crores during the previous year. The employee benefits and expenses stood at rupees 9.61 crores as compared to rupees 9.46 crores during the previous year. 3. The other expenses for the year were at 8.67 crores against 9.67 crores during the previous year. 4. The EBITDA stood at 4.15 crores as compared to 3.93 crores during the previous year. Other income of rupees 2 crores. The financial cost is rupees 0.39 crores during the year as compared to rupees 0.44 crores during the previous year. 7. Consequently, the total profit before tax for the company was 4.43 crores as compared to a total profit of 7.62 crores during the previous year. After giving effect to tax expenses, the profit for the year stood at 3.29 crores compared to a profit of 6.444 crores during the previous year. The profit of the previous year ended 31st March 2025 includes notional gain of rupees 3.14 crores from investment in shares of Jyoti Limited. Your company has been cautious during the year and took several measures like varying the product mix, controlling overheads, enhanced productivity, multitasking, various operations, etc. to state a few, and I am happy to inform you that the company has done well in the financial year 25-26, as can be seen from the financial statement and profit and loss account. Further, I would like to inform you that the company is performing better in the first quarter of financial year 26-27, and the outlook is reasonably good for the remaining period also. On this occasion, I take this opportunity to express my sincere thanks and gratitude to all my colleagues on the board for their prudent counsel and continued guidance. My special thanks and appreciation go to Company Secretary Mr. Yogi Raj and employees of JSL Parivar at all levels for their hard work, appreciation, and continued commitment. I also wish to thank shareholders, government and regulatory authorities, customers, suppliers, and lenders for their unstinted understanding, cooperation, and support. I would like to further state that all resolutions forming part of the notice of the annual meeting have already been voted through remote e-voting. However, as per requirement of law, e-voting facility is also being provided to those members who have not cast their votes through remote e-voting facility during the course of this meeting. I just want to remind that e-voting facility is open for those members who have not cast their vote through remote e-voting facility so far. The facility will remain open till 15 minutes after conclusion of this meeting. I further announce that consolidated result of the remote e-voting and e-voting during the course of the AGM will be declared and simultaneously placed on the company's website, on the website of Stock Exchange and CDL website within 2 working days from the date of this AGM. Now I request Mr. Jahangir Patiwala, a registered speaker, to please put forth the point.
Om, has Mr. Jahangir Batliwala joined the meeting? Can you please confirm?
He is
Okay.
not present. Okay,
Yeah,
then
Chairman
go
sir, you
ahead.
can go ahead. Yeah.
With this, the 60th annual general meeting comes to an end. I would like to thank CDSL for providing smooth and seamless VC facility. Thank you very much.
Okay. I, Yogiraj Atre, Company Secretary of the company, extend hearty vote of thanks to the chair on behalf of all the shareholders and our board members. Thank you so much for attending the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes,
Thank
Om,
you.
you can now stop the recording of the meeting.